in St. Thomas. Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa, baby. So it's not even really dinner, it's really lunch. We're about to go to the pool. I'm full.
Bro, the island is fucking beautiful. Yeah, that's Linda right there. Where the cruise at, no?
Whatever location y'all want to go at, y'all can hang out, and then whenever y'all ready, hit me up and then come back and pick y'all up in the rhythm mode.
About to ride the jet skis. We just came off the jet skis, y'all. That shit was so fun. I had a ball. I wish I would have brought my camera out there. I don't know. It was fun. But now we're about to do this little obstacle course thing. Y'all see that one? Just gonna chill out there, take some shots. The
But it's gonna be crazy.
Y'all, it's so beautiful out here. Look at the water. So pretty. We're about to go on this little obstacle course. It's so hot out here. We're back in the car and we're tipsy. My hair got wet. But if I don't finish the vlog, y'all, don't be mad at me because I'm lit. So no promises, but love you. Just got back to the hotel. Got some KFC. Now we're about to clean up, rest up until later tonight. We're going to some lounges. I'm tired. You tired? Number? 2201. I'm at 2202.
Yeah, it's 30.
2202?
Yeah.
And how many towels?
Probably 4.
Will that be out for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Good morning. It's 9:15. Dang, you can't even see the screen. About to go get some breakfast. Oh. We've been sleeping so good out here, y'all. We literally went to sleep at like 10 o'clock last night. And woke up at 8. Now let's go get some breakfast. Look at the view. I'm never gonna get over this view. I would definitely miss it. Today's our last day. So yeah, get some breakfast. Today we're supposed to be swimming with the dolphins. Excited about that. Ooh, let me get a picture of this. Let me get a picture of this right here. So freaking pretty. Anyway, but yeah, we're supposed to be swimming with the dolphins today. Yeah, y'all will see everything. What? I feel like I got mucus in my throat, huh? Yeah, I know. Perfect. Oh, thank you.
You're gonna get that seasonal fruit bowl.
What comes in it?
I know it don't even say.
Where is it? Oh. It says berry syrup yogurt. Sounds good. I don't know if I want French toast or pancakes. Because sometimes pancakes be too heavy for my stomach.
Yeah, we know you miss your light stomach. Oh my god.
We'll figure it out, but I'm hungry. I love it. Is it clear?
What? This thing shoot 4K.
Really?
It shoot 4K 30, 4K 60. Everything.
Mine is clear too. So we got some French toast. Some fruits. So you was only gonna show your plate? Anyways, yeah.
She said I ain't shit. French toast again.
Let's taste these. Dang, this French toast hard.
That's my pancakes. Oh yeah. They fried that shit.
So hard.
There you go. You can tell they came straight out of that motherfucker.
Eggs taste like whatever. Try this fruit.
I ain't gonna lie, I had Waffle House. I had Waffle House before I went up to New York. Oh my god. That shit is the best thing.
You don't have Waffle House in New York?
No.
Really?
No.
Oh my god, just look. It just went straight in the, like literally dive.
Yeah, that's how they be doing. That's how I'm trying to tell you to watch.
Yeah, why did this bird just dive in the freaking water? I wish I would have recorded that. It usually goes so fast. What the heck? Let's try this yogurt and strawberry. The strawberries here are actually good. Back home, the strawberries are like tart. I haven't had a sweet strawberry in I don't know how long.
I know. Oh yeah, strawberry and seafood.
Finished eating.
Yo, what?
I was talking to my vlog. That building is cute. Now we're about to just chill by the beach for a bit until we start our day. It's still early. What time is it? 10 o'clock? 10:30? 10:40? Oh, this is the vibe. So pretty. That look cute. Flex my vlog. But you can answer. Back in the room. What are you about to do?
Swim with them dolphins.
I'm about to get ready. I'm about to wash my face. Put some sunscreen on. And get ready. So hot out here. I don't even think I got a tan yet.
Bro.
You think?
Bro, you red, bro, anywhere you got a tan.
I ain't got no tan yet, y'all.
Coral world, ocean.
On the way to swim with the dolphins. I just put my hair in this little braid. My forehead is not blended out. Just put some concealer on, just a little bit. This hair is so crunchy. I need to wash it. Well, how do I wash a clip weave? No. I'm gonna figure out when I get home. But come on! So this is the fit. This is from Jaded London. Bag Chanel. Shoe Chanel. Man, got us walking in the fucking wilderness and shit. Oh my god. This is the way we have to walk to get to where. Oh shoot, what the? Oh, this is where all of they was cocooning. Oh, wow.
I ain't gonna lie, I was.
They want to get out. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, hell no. Oh, he's on a leash. Oh, I got scared.
Hey, then this little nigga right here gonna come out of. Oh, hell nah. Yeah, it's time to go, boy, but he ain't barking at himself.
At least he's on a leash. I was scared. This hill is steep.
I should run this shit.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah, because they stay on the left side of the roads. They drive on the left side. Huh? Oh, this yellow house? This is not even a house, though.
Trust the process.
I don't think he know where he going, y'all. Huh?
You got Jetskis right here?
Oh, for real?
I appreciate it.
I've been wearing these shoes every single day.
Niggas see a black nigga think I see.
They been asking us, weed. Y'all smoke,
I ain't gonna lie, nigga.
No, boo, we don't smoke, especially from strangers. That's how you get laced.
Word. I ain't gonna lie, even hitting that nigga blunt yesterday was a little. But he was hitting.
Ugh, pink.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah, it look nice and open.
Did we go over here?
Nah. We going to a fast chasing. Wink. I feel like sharks live in every ocean on the planet. Less than 5 people die each year from shark attacks worldwide. 100 million. Wait, 100 million sharks are killed every year?
Dang.
Things I'm.
It's crazy.
I'm a shark.
So we just paid for our under the sea experience to swim with the dolphins. I'm super excited. So now we're just about to explore. Our thing is not until 2 o'clock. Oh shoot. Look at a baby shark. Look at their eyes. Gosh.
A world without sharks and marine are not healthy. You need sharks. Look guys, my cousins. Look at my cousins, y'all.
So we're just gonna explore until
I'm put the music on.
our adventure at 2 o'clock. What's this?
Touch
Please not touch the animals. Is that something?
It's a secret number.
Oh wow. Look at the starfish. There's a lot of stuff.
Oh, starfish and stuff?
Can you feel? Can I pick you
That's
up?
a sea cucumber? They're edible?
You can? You can eat them?
I don't eat them.
Ew. Brother, ugh.
But like, I ain't gonna lie, it's not our time yet.
No, I'm going in there, not down.
Oh.
Observatory. You can go under the water but stay in the building.
Oh, I had it.
Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah, this looks crazy. Dang, look at the coastline.
Oh my gosh.
Look out here. Yeah, look at that. It's crazy.
This view is beautiful.
Oh, yo, good view. Hate to see you coming.
I'm weak. This is so pretty. What?
Big as hell.
Where? Oh shoot! Damn, they are big.
Let me get all this shit out.
Dang. You sure those not sharks?
Nah, she blessed.
This is what we're about to do, y'all. We're gonna put the helmets on our head, and then go down. And my hair is not gonna get wet, so I'm excited about that.
Nah, she sharks gotta be crazy.
Damn. I'm recording my phone.
Your photos will be at the boutique on the exit when you're walking.
Whoa! You can see the fish and like
Oh, this is scary.
No running. It looks like you're under real water.
We are under the water, baby.
Oh, this is hard.
Finding Nemo face there. Finding Nemo. Hey, we finna walk out there too. I'm tight, I ain't gonna be able to bring my phone.
Me too. I'm mad as shit.
You might what?
I said I'm mad.
I didn't say you got to bring it.
It's like a little aquarium. Look at all these. What the heck is them? Little baby fish. We're underwater. Look at this says. Sex in the sea. What the heck? What the hell?
Over there, right? 8 feet.
Oh shoot, it's both of them right there.
Thank you.
Oh, nah. You know how old this one is?
They're actually both 27.
Dang.
Dang, they older than us.
Are they sisters?
Yeah.
How'd
Aww.
you guys find that out?
So they were found in their nest. So we know their exact birthday. So they're found in the same nest.
So they older than us.
Yep.
I'm 20.
They're older than us too.
Wow.
I'm ecstatic, huh?
Oh, they're aunties then, if they're sisters.
My fault. I be forgetting. Oh.
This island is so.
Right up here to this deck.
She just literally told us that. You don't remember?
Huh?
You don't remember them telling us that?
Nah,
Well, you just wanted to ask something.
nah, I needed to just verify. Right to it. I wasn't really paying attention.
About to swim with the dolphins, yay!
You do this and point at your issue. My ears, my belly, my relationship is in trouble. Whatever. Right? But always with hand signals. This means up. This means down, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this, if you see your diver doing this, means stand straight.
We just came from out of the water under the sea with the dolphins, not dolphins, with the fish and the sharks. Yo, it was so fun. The bottom of my hair is wet. Thank God the top of my hair didn't get wet. But I wish we could have brought the camera down there, man. That would have been crazy. My ears was popping like crazy. We was down there in the water Oh shoot, my lens is blurry. That shit was fun. Would you do it again?
Facts.
You would?
Let's go.
About to go look at our pictures and
Ain't gonna lie, y'all.
get some food. My ears are still popped. The heck is this? Shark teeth? I think these are shark jaws. Oh shoot. Yo, my freaking ears are still popping. I was trying to talk to myself and I heard myself.
Yeah, I was hearing myself too. She was blowing me. I was like, yo.
Bye. Yeah, thank you. Wow, that was crazy. This is so pretty right here. About to go get some food. Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
I had to get some Phillies
Bow, bow, bow. Oh shoot. They fast. Oh shoot. So they can't go outside of this perimeter.
No, this perimeter does have a fence that goes all the way to the bottom.
Why? That's sad. No, that's like slavery. Yes, it is.
I know it is.
They're enslaved. I don't like that. They are.
Thank you.
But they welcome.
Look at it. Come here.
Also, everyone say hi to Coco.
Ah, look at it. Oh shoot. Dang, they fast.
Still?
Yes.
Good. Wait, are you videoing? Save.
Oh shoot.
You ready? Try again.
Look.
Wow.
His name is Carrot.
I know. He's not doing a good job video recording.
Hi, Carrot. Does he talk?
He can, but if he does, you're gonna distract him from this training.
Oh.
Yeah. He will bite you. Definitely bite you.
Don't reach over there.
Oh, you got it? Nice.
Hi. What's her name? Repo.
Yeah, Repo, you
Ooh, you
beautiful.
stink too.
Blue, green, yellow.
I know you're doing.
My hair looks a mess. Not really, but kind of.
She got fucked up.
We're about to go eat some food at the beach.
Corn finna pop out on your.
Hope not.
Oh, this shit is right there though.
Where? Oh shoot, nigga. I think this is the way we came. Oh no, it's something down here, I think.
He got me surrounded.
That's a bearded dragon. He looked like a somebody I know. Oh shoot, it's a whole bunch of them. Look.
Oh, y'all ganged up. Oh, we not even supposed to be over there.
Are we not really?
I don't think so. Shit.
No, we can.
Nah, they squatted up. They probably like, yo, look at all these. Oh shit, look all. Yo, pick this up. Oh nah.
Look at his arm. Look to the back. Look.
I say, this is me right here.
Why is his arm to the back? Yo, he's chilling. Arms all in the back and shit. Like, I'm crying.
Nah.
That looks crazy.
They mob. I don't want no.
Most of them will either run away from you or just stay put.
Oh, okay.
We just made it to the beach. We're about to just order some food. Yo, look at the drone footage. This is crazy. Wait, don't focus. He's doing the drone. That is crazy. He got the drone landing on us. That is crazy. Don't let the birds hit it. What is this called? What did I get?
I don't know. Hawaiian blue tongue.
It's good. You guys good? I got a virgin.
I got rum in mine.
No. So this is like the platter, garlic shrimp. It better be good for it took this long. So let's see what it's hitting on. Okay, let's see what this food is talking about. So we got some corn. Okay, corn is good. Got this pasta. It's cold, but got some rice. Rice is good. Now let's see the shrimp. Hot.
You're getting.
It's good.
I'm following you, but Jack's over here. How are you supposed to follow me?
After we eat, we're gonna get back in the pool or the beach and enjoy the rest of our day. About to go take some pictures. My outfit and his outfit. Just finished taking some pictures. They came out great. Huh? Shout out to you, Korea. Oh, we never been over here. We haven't explored it all around here. This looks like a little town. A little bit.
I'm thinking right here because it's low.
Oh, it says town hall, huh? That's funny.
Margaritaville. Maybe over there.
Where?
Maybe I stand right in front of the bush.
We just finished taking pictures. Now we're sitting here, getting a break, catching a break, cause my feet hurt. What are we doing after this? It's crazy. My ears are still popping from the freaking swimming underwater, y'all. My ears was popping so bad under that thing. Like, it was crazy. Look at the beautiful view.
Thank you, bro.
What? My throat is bothering me. I need some water. Who you waving at?
I wasn't waving, I was like this.
Oh, to do what?
This is my middle finger. Like,
Oh, I thought you said.
oh, nah.
Wait, who is you waving at?
Fire pit scheduled to run from 7.
Oh, stink. Something's still biting you up.
Bro, yes, bro.
Okay.
Peep though.
Back nipples? You ain't peep my back nipples?
Get out there.
Yo, ain't no way.
Bro.
This camera doesn't even do this justice. It's so beautiful. Strawberry. Regular. Cheers. You didn't say it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Stop it, tequila from here. It's good. Last day to this beautiful view.
Yeah, I just packed up.
Ooh, my freaking throat is like, I don't know. My throat is closing up. I look at this. I need help. I need help. Please. Oh, Lord. Thank you. Yeah, we're about to go get breakfast. Then head to the airport. Thank you. Man, you're gonna miss this view. Oh shoot.
I ain't gonna lie, there was no point in going out because
It's 9:06. We said we was gonna go out every day this week and never went out. But yeah, it was no point of going out because we had party in DC. We had partied in DC. We could party back home. Like, it's no point.
it's no point.
So we just decided to make this vacation a chill vacation. And yeah, we had a ball though. Even though it was chill, it was still fun. And I'm glad I vlogged the whole experience because I'm gonna look back on these memories and be like, it was a time. Thank you, Prince Charming.
Yeah. They not us.
But at least we can go get some food. Hopefully we have enough time because we're supposed to really be leaving at what, 10 o'clock? My flight is at 11. I said, well, hopefully we have enough time to eat and stuff because they be taking forever to bring the food out. We ate here yesterday, same place. By the beach. Margaritaville. Y'all, this literally, these views in this vacation is literally unmatched. Like, it's actually so crazy. It's so beautiful. I definitely will miss this island. So pretty. But we just ate some food. I mean, I ate some food. I'm tripping. I got a cough, y'all. I don't know where that came from. We just ordered some food to go. And then we're gonna head to the airport because it's already 9 something and they already take forever. Look at this man now.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
At 9:30 in the morning, Don Julio and the orange juice is insane.
I said I'm getting my money for it. $75.
We drank half the bottle last night, y'all. Look at it. Look at where it's at. Y'all can't even see.
That shit ain't work, bro.
But shit, it on me. And now I woke up with a cold. I don't know where that's from. Like my throat is itchy. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. My flight is at 11 o'clock. It's 9:14. We're probably gonna head out of here when our food gets here to the airport because the airport's like 20 minutes away, right?
Yeah. I wonder if I should.
And this will be the end of the vlog, y'all. I'm gonna get some footage of us leaving the island and stuff outside and the roads and stuff. That sound always triggers me, I don't know. But thanks for coming along with this vlog with me, guys. You know what's crazy? I really wasn't even gonna vlog this whole experience, this trip, because I really was gonna let it be like just like a trip for me and my boo-boo. And not like even like, you know, just enjoy the moment. But he started vlogging on his camera, so I was like, I might as well just get memories of this experience, of this trip, you know. So I'm glad I did vlog though because we had a great time and I cannot wait to look back on the memories. Oh my gosh. So yeah, y'all, bye.